Your Windows volume slider might be at 100%, but sound is still barely audible. This happens when the internal main volume level is set too low, acting as a secondary volume limiter. To fix this issue, start by clicking the Start button and type Control Panel in the search box, then click on Control Panel from the results. Once Control Panel opens, click on Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound. In the Sound window, go to the Playback tab and right-click on your active output device, usually speakers or headphones, then select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, click on the Levels tab. You'll see two sliders, one labeled Speakers or your device name, which should be at 100, and another labeled Main Volume, which is likely set very low, like 7. Set the main volume to 100 or your preferred maximum level. Click Apply, then OK, and test your audio. The normal volume control should now work as expected. This issue occurs because Windows manages audio through multiple volume layers. The main volume acts as a master limiter for the device, while the taskbar volume control adjusts the system-wide volume. If main volume is set low, it caps the maximum possible volume regardless of other settings. If you don't see a main volume slider, your audio driver may use different terminology or settings. After fixing this, you can continue using the regular volume controls, taskbar, keyboard, normally. Consider updating your audio drivers if you continue experiencing volume issues. If this solution helped you fix your Windows 11 sound problem, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting guides.